and convince her about the scorched plague.
Oh, hi, Sage!
Hi, Sage!
Oh my god, your outfit.
Will you be talking about future updates? We will not today, no. But we do have some fun things happening this weekend. It is a free trial weekend and double XP. Oh god, there's Sage! Oh god, there's Sage!
I feel like I'm living a fever dream right now.
He's just in a bathrobe with a fiery chainsaw. And Zeek is here too in a bathrobe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Zeek is level 669. That's crazy.
Nice.
Oh no, he's murdering him! He's murdering him! What'd you drop, Zeek? Oh, Zeek just dropped a bunch of serums. That's cheating. I can't. Well, it's not cheating, but I can't because if I get rid of it... And he also dropped a bathrobe. I'll take the bathrobe. I'll take the bathrobe, but I can't take the serums because people are donating for a chance to me to lose my serum. So if I just take it, then there's no point to risk